Hi guys, so welcome to this unboxing video for a pair of Sony Sport headphones, which I got from Amazon Warehouse. It is a warehouse deal. These do retail for £90 brand new, but I actually bought them for 60 quid. So I assume there are a few one-star reviews which say that they are the sound is too low, so maybe these have been. Hopefully they've got the earwax off the headphones. So they've got two varieties. You can have them like over the ear like that, or they sort of click in, they sort of prod into your earlobes, which sounds really lovely. So there we go. So I've not really used Bluetooth headphones before. I just figured, because my Sennheiser C300s have stopped working, I figured I'd get a Bluetooth for attempting to exercise. So I figured I would spend maybe about 30 quid more and get a brand name rather than the cheap £20 ones. So these are the Sony MDR AS800BTs. So as you can see, they're quite small. Does look, there are specks of dirt on them, so they do. You might be wise to give them a little clean before using them. These are loose. I don't know. Get a little strap on. You get them in 3 different colours. Traffic light system there from Sony, which is a nice touch. You got another pair of these things. I'm not really sure what's going on there. So you get 3 pairs of those. You get a strap on. So there we go. You know, if you want to save 30 quid, get these from the Amazon warehouse. Be prepared to give them a clean, because they've probably been in someone's disease-ridden earlobes. So you might get an ear infection. But there we go. You save 30 quid, so who cares? So I'm not sure how this works. So you should probably read the manual. There is a button here. Oh, there we go. They flash. They're flashing at you, so there we go. That's pretty, isn't it? So here's the earlobes close up. So you can see a few specks of dirt on them, which I assume is from the previous user, which is a lovely thought. But you have saved 30 quid, so who cares?